Good morning, children. Welcome to our EVS class. Today, we are going to start a new lesson, Flying High. Children, do you like to fly high? Yes, I know. We all like to fly high, but we cannot fly. Then, who can fly high? Yes, we know that birds and some insects and bats can fly high. And in this video, we will focusing more on birds. So today we will learn the names of some common birds and we will solve some riddles given in our textbook. And we will also identify the birds. Here we have some riddles. We have to solve this. On my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I'm proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Who is saying this? Yes, this bird is saying. Do you know which is that bird? Yes, that is our peacock. You all know peacock is our national bird. And how do you identify this bird is peacock? Yes, the bird is saying, on my head I have a crest and I dance the best. So we identified that is peacock. Okay, next. Long and broad is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. Who is saying this? You can see this arrow. This bird is saying this dialogue. Who is this bird which eat mice and fly high up in the sky? Who eats mice? Yes, it is eagle. So, it is eagle which eats mice and fly high up in the sky. So, you want to write the eagle. Now, let's go to the third box. My feathers are green, my beak's red. Guava and green chili I'm fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. We all know whose feather is green and whose beak is red, isn't it? And this bird eats guava and green chili. And which is that bird? Yes, it is our sweet parrot. So which is that bird? Yes, our parrot. Let's read next box. Black. Which bird is saying this? Yes, you can see the arrow. This bird is saying this dialogue. Let's check what is saying this bird. Black are my feathers and black is my dash. Kaka I do all day long. So who will do kaka all the day? Yes, it is our dear crow, isn't it? And can you see? Its feathers are black and its beak is also black. So what will be in this dash? Black is my beak. So in first dash we will write beak. Black are my feathers and black is my beak. Kaka I do all the day long. And in the last box we want to write crow. And here we have some more birds. Let's read. Kuhu kuhu is my sound, everywhere am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Dash is my name. You can see this bird is saying this dialogue, isn't it? And which is this bird who can sing in a very sweet voice? Yes, it is our koel or cuckoo. It is our koel which can sing in a very sweet voice. So, you want to write here, cuckoo is my name. Oh no, look at this big bird. What is this bird saying? Let's check. Dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the dash I fly. Vulture is what I'm called by. So the name is already given here, isn't it? Which bird is this? Yes, it's our vulture. And it eats dead animals and helps to make our places clean. How this bird make the places clean? If the dead animals are lying here and there, it makes our places dirty, isn't it? But this bird, vulture, loves to eat the dead animals. And when it eats the dead animals, our places become clean, isn't it? So now we have to fill this dash. High up in the dash I fly. So where does vulture fly? High up in the sky, isn't it? So you have to write here sky I fly. Now here we have a lovely bird. Let's read. My beak is pink, feathers grey. Guttergoo I go on all day. In houses I make my home. A dash is how am known. So who is this bird which make a guttergoo sound and which have pink beak and grey feathers? Yes, it's our sweet pigeon. So what we write here? Yes, pigeon. Let's go to the next box. My beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves, I make my home. The dash bird is how I am known. So, this bird can stitch the leaves by using its needle-shaped beak. Actually, who does the stitching? Yes, the tailor, isn't it? So, this bird is also called a tailor bird. So, we will write here, the tailor bird is how I am known. Now, let's see who is this last bird. In trunk of trees, holes I make. Hidden insects I intake. Tuk tuk tuk, I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. So, this bird is woodpecker. It makes hole in the tree and its nest is also in the hole of the tree. Woodpecker eats the small insects which found on the trunks of a tree. So, we finished our riddles. Today, we met some common birds. They all are looking very different, isn't it? Today's our class ends here. Next day, we will learn more important and interesting facts about birds. Okay? Thank you.